Welcome to this video on things we love. Let's explore some of the most common and cherished things in our lives. We love our family. Family provides support, comfort, and unconditional love. We love our significant other. This relationship brings joy and companionship into our lives. We love our pets. They are wonderful companions who offer affection and happiness. We love our favorite foods. The simple pleasure of a delicious meal can be very satisfying. We love our free time. It's essential for relaxation and pursuing our interests. We love our phones and electronic gadgets. These devices help us stay connected and entertained. We love money, or at least most of us do. Financial security provides opportunities and peace of mind. We love sleeping in and our weekends. Time off allows us to rest and recharge. We love hanging out with friends. Social connections are important for our well-being. We love winning. Achieving goals and succeeding can be incredibly rewarding. What other things do you love? There are countless things that bring happiness to our lives. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and keep learning.